Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just out for a really short walk today at the local nature preserve. I'm trying to get a picture in the same spot at roughly the same time every month for a collage that I'm doing. And I wanted to do it today because there's so much smoke in the air. I wanted to get that shot. So we're just taking a short walk. I'm enjoying the day. It's really hard to breathe out here, but let's hit the trail. Look at that little guy. Huh. Well, I was wondering what was splashing around out there. There's a bunch of geese. Okay. You hear it? Well, now the train's going off, so. Oh, look at the little spotty. You can see that smoke in the air. Pawpaw tree. Got some fruit right there. Coming up to the spot where I can get my photo. Alright, I got my photo. And I'm going to finish this short loop before I head out for breakfast.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this toy shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. I wanna rise up. Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up. fall into the ocean.
I'm gonna try to stay off the gravel path so we can at least hear things other than my footsteps. This is a marshy area. Lots of deer go in and out of there. I see them all the time going in and out of those reeds. You can see the trails through there. You can see the haze at the barn. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. I just wanted to do a short one just so I could get outside for a little while and get my photo. I'm glad you guys came with me. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. And I hope you all find joy in this day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.